Hey guys, this is mirdominance here doing a quick unboxing. I just received the BTS Memories 2017. It literally arrived today, which is the 28th, so the day after it's released. I'm in Daegu, so it came pretty quick. I'm going to do this unboxing really quick because I need to run to a PC bong and get on the train in about 10 minutes. So yeah, this is going to be pretty fast. So it's white, hard canvas-like, and it says BTS with ARMY, all their names and their memories. This is 17 for 2017, and it's literally like a binder. And it is regions 1 and 3 with Korean, English, and Chinese subtitles. And there are 5 discs. And they're continuing with the newer BTS authenticity sticker. So let's open. So it comes with, ooh, look at that, I got J-Hope on the first pull. Really cute. I guess it has a little defect, but can't do anything about that. So I got the J-Hope card. Let me go ahead and take the protect. Oh, I'll just leave this one. So it's a binder. This one is like a photo album, so you can take this picture. The picture slides out. Let's see what this is all about. It's literally a book. Oh my gosh. And it tells you all the sections. Wow. This is definitely a collector's item. It is so easy to tear these pages, so if you're a collector, I would get 2. I may actually get another one. It's so easy, so you can open the binder and take pages out, but I really just don't want to damage it. Let's see, put a good zoom in. So these are pictures from the Wings final. So we've seen a lot of the footage on VLive, but then, you know, that was live VLive footage, so maybe the footage is better on the DVD, so we'll see. Wow, actually these pictures are really good. Like, usually I'm not too impressed with the live photos that K-pop, you know, artists take. I'm usually more impressed with fan sites, but these are really good. Like almost portrait-like, even though these are still live photos. So I'm really impressed. Ooh. So this one extended outward, like a fold. This is really cool, and the pages are numbered, so if you take them out, there are numbering systems on the edges. This is really neat. I'm really glad I went ahead and bought. Oh, look at that family portrait! Yeah, if you haven't bought this, please get it. I think this is the best photography for a live that I've seen. You even got backstage stuff. This is really cool. Wow, every stop. Anaheim, Sydney, Hong Kong, Taipei, Seoul, Fukuoka, Newark. That's the stop I went to. So Namjoon. Wow. This is a really like a treasure. Wings, You Never Walk Alone. Ooh, we get behind pictures of the Wait, You Never Walk Alone repackage. This is really nice. This is, wow. This is really such a collectible. And it's designed so nicely. Look at this. Oh my god. And usually I don't spaz out during my unboxings, but this is everything. Oh, we're in Balm now. Look at how this is like really good. I may just buy another one. Things that I'm afraid I'm gonna like hurt, because I really find myself flipping through this often because the pictures are really good. And if I'm gonna flip through this often, I'm definitely gonna end up tearing a page and crying. So I may just get another one as a collector's one, and then one that I don't mind people flipping through, because this is just, it's going through everything. And BTS always gives us so much content, like already, like with the Bangtan episodes, Bangtan Bombs, the V-Lives, you know, the behind the scenes stuff, but then they always give us more. Like, you know, there's so much they give us for free, and then when they finally give us the products we have to pay for, like, I always have a high expectation just for the quality. Wow, so this is Soteji's stage that they did. Wow, dude. Even, wow, even them learning backstage. Soteji. Yeah. Then chapter 4 is her. Oh my gosh. The really cool stuff. This is the setting for one of the, like, the posters, one of the albums. And yes, we finally get these photos unfiltered. They had the ugliest filter on the photo, so I really wanted to see this, what it actually really looked like in its true color. And you know, maybe the filter wasn't ugly, they just didn't print it well. So you can see like the saturation, pixelation, and how it was there was too much brightening. DNA. Mic drop. Behind the scenes filming of mic drop. He looks so good right here. Oh my gosh. They all look really good. Serendipity. I really like this. This was my phone background for the longest time. Okay. Ooh, they even have Arm and Wale change, like photography. See, they always give us everything. This is really cool. Last is Jimmy Kimmel declares New Year's and AMAs. So this is Jimmy Kimmel. Wow, look at these photos. Billboard New Year's. Man, their staff works. Oh my god. And afterwards. Wow. This one is, I think this is the AMAs. Yeah, this one's AMA. And the credits, and then the disc. Okay. So there's disc 1, and it has a 1 symbol. Okay, disc 2, disc 3, and it tells you the contents here. Let me zoom out a bit. Yeah. Disc 4 and disc 5. And then more credits in this. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them. So yeah, this is the BTS Memories 2017.